Drop shipping used to have one massive problem. Your product photos look exactly like every other seller's because you're all using the same supplier images. Here's how to fix that instantly. So what I've chosen is a t-shirt, and it's going to be, the prompt is apparel brand. Place this graphic tee on a flat lay mock-up. Clean white background, subtle fabric texture visible, natural light from above, minimal and editorial, ready for Shopify product page. And then I'm just going to hit generate. And this is the finished mock-up. The transformation is immediate. The product now looks like it was actually photographed in this environment. And this was the image beforehand. So you can see how they've completely changed the background for you, and it looks so professional how it's done now. Now for this next example, I'm going to be using the thematic photography tool. And for this one, I've uploaded a ceramic vase. So version A, warm Japandi interior, tatami mat, soft morning light, single dried stem in the vase. Version B is bold maximalist, rich jewel toned, velvet surface, dramatic side lighting layered with books and objects. Now, all I'm going to do is just hit generate. Now, this was the original ceramic vase that I uploaded, and this is the result I got. So exactly what I wanted, and you can see how it's precisely done as I've asked, to such a professional level. And for this next example, I'm going to be using the Amazon primary image. Now, this is the image of the Bluetooth speaker that I've chosen, and we're going to watch the magic happen. So the picture's uploaded, and the prompt is Bluetooth speaker. Clean Amazon primary image for a compact cylindrical Bluetooth speaker in forest green. Pure white background, product perfectly centered, no props or shadows, sharp spec, accurate, conversion ready. And I shall just hit generate. And you can see it's done exactly as I asked. Now, what's actually happening here is the creative director agent is making all the decisions. It's deciding how the product should be positioned in the scene. It's matching the lighting so everything looks natural. It's adding shadows and reflections so that the product feels physically present. And it's balancing color and tone so that the whole image feels cohesive. This is the key difference. It's not just placing your product into a template, it's directing how the product appears in that environment. If you're selling online and your product photos are straight from a supplier sheet, this is exactly what you need. Every preset inside Advertising Studio is completely free right now on InVideo. The link is in the description. Upload your product photo, add a brief, and you'll have brand quality visuals ready before your next listing goes live. Now, this is where this becomes really powerful. If you're drop shipping, your supplier gives you the exact same product image that everyone else is using, which means your store looks identical to everyone else. Mockups let you completely change that. You can take the same product and create a unique visual identity around it. And if you're a new brand, you might not even have inventory yet. This lets you build your entire storefront before your product even ships. And again, the important part is this: the agent isn't just placing your product into a scene. It's making decisions about how that product should look in context. That's what makes it feel real. So this is where mockups become most useful. On Shopify or WooCommerce, on their pages, you can replace generic supplier images with branded visuals. For pre-launch landing pages, you can show your product in a real lifestyle setting before inventory really arrives. For investor decks or presentations, you can create professional product visuals that make your brand look established. And for social content, these kind of images perform really well, especially on platforms like Instagram or Pinterest, where visuals really matter. So instead of relying on basic product photos, you can create something that actually stands out. Mockups are incredibly powerful for agencies pitching new brand concepts. You can create high quality, contextual product visuals for a pitch deck without needing to commission a single photo shoot. And the strongest comparison is this. Take the same supplier product photo that every other dropshipper is using and compare it to a custom mockup from Advertising Studio. The difference in brand perception is immediate. It's real differentiation from a single brief. If you're building a brand or running a dropshipping store, Advertising Studio can instantly upgrade every product visual you have. It's completely free on InVideo right now. The link is in the description, and if you're managing multiple products or storefronts, their paid plans unlock 80 plus models in the creative limits to scale with you.